Hello lovely people, this is just an update on my Ceylon Hill gooseberry. Look at my hands. I just harvested some of the boysenberries. But anyway, so this is the Ceylon Hill gooseberry and it looks very promising. And this is its second year in a row where it set flowers. So we had just a few fruits last year, few berries. They taste delicious. They are bigger than the blueberries. Yeah, dark blue color when ripe and really delicious. And it looks really very promising. Lots and lots of flowers. So these all are already have finished flowering, and the plant has set lots and lots of fruitlets already. So it looks like we will have a really nice, decent crop. Many flowers still to come. So it looks like the plant is really comfortable and looking very healthy and good in its place where it grows. We are in the subtropical climate. It's getting the morning and up to midday sun, and it's growing next to the pomegranate, which grows on the west side of the plant. So it's protected from the harsh hot afternoon sun. Hundreds of thousands of flowers, flower buds and fruitlets everywhere. Look at this new growth everywhere. Still new flower buds. Here some more new growth, young leaves, beautiful flowers. That's how they look like when they are full in flower. And the beautiful little fruitlets when the flowers stop flowering. Same here. So yeah, looking very good. I will keep you updated. I will be having some, I grew this plant from a seed. And we'll be having some seeds later this or beginning of next year. We have end of November now, so probably in 2 months time or so, when the berries, when I start harvesting the berries, I will be having some seeds available if you're interested. I have also grown a few plants from cuttings. And here are the little plants, the little Ceylon Hill gooseberries. These ones are grown from a seed, and this one is grown from a cutting. It has taken me, I have grown mine from a seed as well, and it has taken me 3 years until I have seen the first fruit. So it doesn't take too long. And I will see how long does it take for this one. I will definitely plant it, and probably, yeah, probably I will plant all of them because I really love the fruit. I will definitely grow more from a cutting and from a seed after it stopped fruiting. So that's about it for today. Take care and hopefully see you next time. Maybe I should make a video about boysenberry too.